¿Vas a pujar?
Yo me voy por...
Ah, vale, es que está quemado así, ¿no? Dice que está ¿vas después a la mano o no?
The helicopter hovers overhead. We are in a major intersection. Traffic's come to a halt. A couple of helicopters now. Firecrackers have gone off. That doesn't necessarily mean anything's, you know, getting violent. It's just a very European way of demonstrating with firecrackers. Seems very peaceful. People in the red hats. There we go, another firecracker. People in their red baseball caps from CCOO. I think that's one of the major unions, trade unions in Spain. It's very peaceful. And unlike Britain, for example, the police coverage is very low key. If this had been England, you know, there'd be 1,000 police here by now. But it's very low key. There are police here, but they're keeping their distance. You know, it's all very easy going. People making their feelings felt, but